Hey there, I'm Ed Florentino, and today I'm at Parks Chevrolet in Huntersville, North Carolina. A family-owned dealership located right here in Huntersville, North Carolina. Here is where you can experience the Parks promise. We promise to do better, to be better every day. That's the Parks promise. Come join me in the showroom, come on. So as we enter the showroom today, we have the 70th anniversary Corvette sitting right here in front of us. And just take a time to admire this gorgeous showroom here. Whenever I visit here, every interaction has been fantastic. Everybody here is willing to help you and assist you in any manner that you may need. But I have something really cool to show you. I have two trucks upfitted by CCV Performance. Let's go check them out. Right here, I have a 2025 Chevy Silverado Z71 in slate gray that has been upfitted by CCV Performance. This truck that has been upfitted by CCV Performance has nearly $26,000 of installed options, to include these 22-inch fuel off-road black wheels. Here we have the 2025 Chevy Colorado in Summit White that's also been upfitted by CCV Performance. The CCV Performance package on this Chevy Colorado has nearly $7,000 of installed options, to include a 2-inch leveling kit, gorgeous 17-inch fuel wheels, and black running boards. The Silverado and this Colorado both have the CCV branding package. I want to personally thank all of you and taking a moment of your time to learn more about this family-owned dealership and CCV Performance. If you're interested in learning more about CCV Performance, you can go to driveccv.com, or if you'd like to contact this dealership, you can go to parkschevrolet.huntersville.com.